Hello everyone, my name is Mark Paul Valencia Rabia. Today I'll be explaining linear regression, one of the most widely used types of regression in data analysis and machine learning. Let's dive into what it is, when to use it, how to apply it, and where it's useful in real life. What is linear regression? Linear regression is a statistical method used to examine the relationship between a dependent variable, which is continuous, and one or more independent variable. It assumes that the relationship between these variables is linear, meaning it can be represented by a straight line. The goal is to predict the value of the dependent variables on the independent variables by minimizing the differences between the predicted and actual values. When is linear regression used? Your dependent variable is a continuous numeric value, like grades, price, or temperatures. There's a clear linear relationship between the dependent and independent variables. Your data meets certain assumptions like independence observations in a normal distribution of errors. How do you use linear regression? Collect and prepare data. Make sure your data is clean, complete, and contains numeric or appropriately coded categorical variables. Visualize relationships. Use scatterplot to check if a linear relationship exists between variables. Fit the model. Use tools like Excel, Python, or R to compute the regression equation. Represents the coefficients. Interpret results. Examine the coefficient understanding the impact of each independent variables. Validate the model. Check metrics like R-squared and residuals to ensure the model performs well. Applications of linear regression. Linear regression is a powerful statistical tool with diverse applications across various industries. In finance, it helps predict stock price by analyzing market indicators. In real estate, it estimates property values based on factors like size, location, and amenities. In education, it reveals how study habits and attendance impact student performance. Lastly, in healthcare, it models the relationship between life cycle choice, like exercise, and outcomes such as weight loss. These examples highlight how linear regression simplifies complex data to guide better decisions. Real-world scenario. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a university wants to predict students' final grades based on various factors. Independent variables. Number of study hours per week. Allowance per week in the Philippines. TikTok account. Year level. Grades. Using linear regression, the university can analyze how these independent variables impact the student grades. For instance, they might find the study hours have a strong positive correlation with grades, while having a TikTok account has a little to no effect. Bye! Thank you for watching!